how to draw a snowflake. We are going to start off by drawing two parallel lines going up and down near each other in the middle of our page that are pretty short. Then going up and outwards from each of these lines, we are going to draw a half oval shape. This half oval shape is going to be at a diagonal. Now let's make the other one. Awesome! Now from that we are going to draw two straight lines just like the two that we drew at the very beginning that will be going upwards from these half oval shapes. Great job! Now we are going to draw two more half oval shapes that are going to be slanted connecting to the top of these two straight lines, just like the ones we drew before. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now to connect those two half oval shapes at the very top, we are going to draw an upside down U. Awesome job! We're all done drawing the first part of our snowflake. Next, we are going to draw two diagonal lines going downwards from the two parallel lines that we drew at the very beginning at the bottom of this part of our snowflake, just like this. Then on the right side, connecting to the diagonal line right here, we are going to copy this to make the next part of our snowflake. So again, we are going to draw two small straight lines, but these ones are not going to go straight up and down, they are going to be slanted a little bit. Then connecting to the top of those two straight lines, we are going to draw two slanted half oval shapes. Then two more straight lines going outwards. And we will finish off the top of this part of our snowflake with two more half oval shapes that are slanted, and then an upside down U connecting them at the top. Also, no two snowflakes are alike, so you could be creative and change your snowflake drawing up a little bit if you would like to. Great job! Now for the next step, we are going to draw a straight line going down from right here. Then we are going to follow the same steps that we have for the past two parts of our snowflake. I will continue to pause in between each step so you can continue to follow along if you would like to. Awesome job! Now let's make the next part of our snowflake, which will be pointed straight down, but first we'll draw a diagonal line. The next part of our snowflake is going to go right here. Does it snow where you live? Comment down below if it's snowed yet this year. Also, comment down below if winter is your favorite season. Nice job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are looking awesome. Now we are going to draw a diagonal line going upwards from that part of the snowflake, and then we will draw the next part of our snowflake. Looking awesome! Now we are going to draw a straight line going up from that part of our snowflake, and then we are going to draw the final part of our snowflake in the space right here. This is how to draw a snowflake. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw a Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. And if there's anything that you would like us to draw next, make sure to comment down below so that we know what to draw. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.